Hello, Sir here. I'm about to give a tour of the Waverly floor plan by Taylor Morrison. If you're unfamiliar with what I'm doing right now, I'm going through the various floor plans offered by Taylor Morrison in the Massey community in Fort Mill because they're about to have a lottery on August 18th, 2021. So if you're interested in Taylor Morrison and in Fort Mill, please reach out to my team and I. We would love to get you a pricing appointment, get you pricing for all the floor plans, and just see what's best for you, as well as put you in contact with Taylor Morrison Funding so you can be entered into this drawing. Now, the Waverly floor plan is one of their most popular floor plans. It is traditionally 4 bedrooms. This one is 5 bedrooms and 3.5 bath. And it's anywhere from 2,800 square feet up to 3,000 square feet. Pricing in this community for this release will be, depending on your elevation, meaning the front of the home, anywhere from $459,000 up to $477,000. Now I know this is like the 3rd day in a row I am dropping a video, and I don't want to inundate you with videos. Lord knows there's only certain people in my life I want to see every single day or enjoy seeing every day, and I'm sure I'm not that for you. However, the reason why I'm putting out these house tours every single day is because I want everybody to see what's available, because people reach out and want to know, hey, what new communities are there? Are there going to be any lot releases? I keep having to be on a waiting list. Well, this is an opportunity I want you aware of, because the release will be August 18th, but you have to have everything in order by August 17th. So give us a call. The number is on the screen. We look forward to helping you. Here we are heading upstairs. There's 4 bedrooms up here. This is your loft area. You have a laundry room. You have an option to put a utility sink over where that laundry hamper is. This is the first bathroom upstairs, as well as this could be a guest bedroom. Take one more look at the loft area before we head into the Jack and Jill bedrooms. All of these rooms are good size, and you get tons of natural light throughout the home. Whether you have full-size windows, the transom windows above the showers downstairs, or in the dining room, you just get tons of natural light. Now this is bedroom 4, and we're about to go into the primary suite, which will be the 5th bedroom for this floor plan. Spacious room, tray ceilings. And you have 2 separate closets. Let me know what you think of this floor plan. If you're interested in seeing one of these homes or this model being built from the ground up, please let me know. I have various videos that I haven't published. I'm doing for clients, but I have various videos showing this home, this floor plan being built from the concrete slab being poured to framing to every step of the process of the home being built right before my clients moved in. If that's something that interests you and you want to know about the construction process, please let me know. Leave a comment below. I'm Sir Ashley. I hope this video was helpful. Talk soon.